Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know what are components in React.js. So I'll ensure if you watch the whole video you'll easily understand it. So suppose this is my React website. So see here everything is a component. See this header is a component, and from here to here this big thing is a component, and this thing this whole part, like what do you say, this whole part, it's also a component. Like everything which is looks little different, it's a component. So one thing more, it's not necessarily a component, maybe it's built in the website page only. Component, you can think you have built once and you have to use like in multiple pages, so you can just put its name and you can just easily use it. See, this is a simple component. Another thing, so let me just go with the examples so you better understand. So here I have normally done npx create react app, nothing much, and it's the first app component you can see, and I have written hello world here, and it's hello world, normal export default app. See app dot in the app.js file, nothing I have done. So for components, you just create a new file and say whatever you wanna create, header.js, and here also you export it like I am doing like this. Yeah, so function header, let me make it header. Yeah, so you have to create the function, then export default function, and here in between you have to write it like same as app.js. In between div you write it, same here in between you have to write it. So here I'll write, suppose this is a header, and I'll save it, and here I'll import that header. Import header from dot slash header, and I'll save it. And after hello world, why it's not showing? Oh, sorry. I think I made some mistakes. What? Yeah, so it's normal hello world return. So let me put enter here, and suppose I want to use that component header, so I'll just say header header slash this, and I'll save it. And see, this is the header, like it's written in that page and it's got written here. So if I again just copy it and paste it, so see, this is like it's written multiple. So in whichever page I want to use it, I'll just import like this, import header from headers, and I'll just use there. So you can write like this also, header and slash, like a normal tag also, like this also. See, that's the way also it's working. Let me just remove all the headers. See, this is also the way of working. But suppose you want to pass some values also, so for that let me remove this old way. So I'll say suppose I want to pass any name or something, so I'll say about page or something, like page. So I'll say page equal to, and I'll say about us, about us. Okay, so this is the value, so I'll just save it. So about us, let me put it in like the string. Yeah, so suppose I want to, oh sorry, it's here. Yeah, control R. So I am not receiving there, so for receiving that data there, yeah, so this is the headers. For receiving there, I'll just put the value that I have written here. So I'll say page, because see, I am sending page as a, like you can say, variable. So I take that page variable here in double quotes, and I'll say this is the header, and I like page, and this is about us. See, you can see it's so simple. Let me put a space. This is here about us, so let me just put a space here. Yeah, this is a header about it. Like you just put the data, and you like again I want use the same component with different value, and I'll say service, and just save it. See, this is a header service because I send the service and it's taking page as a variable and just like writing it. So see, this is so simple. Like this you can create multiple components. So new file, I'll say middle, like in the middle you want to some middle.js. So here I'll do rfce again, and here I'll say this is I'll say this is a middle part for quotes, like quotes, whatever you wanna write quotes or in the middle or whatever you wanna do. I'll just save it, and again I'll just import it here, import middle from dot slash middle, and I'll save it, and again I'll just use it here. Let's save it. See, this is the middle part for quotes. So this is the way you can use, like you can like you obviously you can use custom css and all that. See, I should have br and like it's giving me a break line space. So this is the way like components you can use it. So you can pass, it's called props, you can pass value from here to the function where you want to use it. So like I'm using in header. So that's the, like if you want to suppose send multiple data, you say you can obviously send, suppose you want to send name equal to and say John, and I'll say John, okay, and I'll just copy it. In the second line I want to send the name as Ab, John Ab, okay, so I'll save it, and here I'll receive the both name also, and here I'll just put name. See, so now you will get service John Ab because I'm sending name also, and here I using name as a variable, receiving it, and using name variable here. So that's the easiest way you can work with component. Like it's the only way you can work with component. So yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe, and thank you guys.